Hi guys, I wanted to do a video into how to install Porsche center caps or hubcaps into the wheel. So I've got a Porsche cap, got a Porsche wheel. These are the Sport Classic wheels. So all you gotta do is place it here, align it with the valve stem, the edge of the Porsche logo, place it on the wheel, and push it in. That's it. Okay. I also installed the cap on this one. Now I'm going to try to install another one. So this wheel, it's a Sport Classic wheel, and I have the Porsche cap. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it in the middle and align the edge with the valve stem, because that's the Porsche, that basically tells you that you are a Porsche enthusiast, is if you know how to align your center cap with the valve stem. So I placed it there, and I'm just gonna press it in with my palm. Okay, that's the third cap installed. I'm going to install this last fourth cap. Same thing. Place it on the wheel hub. Align the edge with the valve stem, and with your palm, press it in. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how you install a Porsche hubcap on your wheel. These are a beautiful set of Cayenne wheels, 21-inch wheels from a 2018 Cayenne Turbo S that I showed you the installation of. All right, thank you guys. Here's the wheel set again.